the cost isn't just for the end user customer though, too, right? The distributor and the supplier all obviously are impacted when the wrong part is shipped. So walk us through a little bit of what that feels like from your perspective. If the supplier sends you the wrong part, what does that do to your business?
Yeah, we're all positioning ourselves for, realistic and sustainable profitability, right? And I think that when these types of things happen, it puts all that in jeopardy. As a supplier to my customer, I'm battling to keep the price in line. And even though maybe I made the mistake or maybe the supplier made the mistake and shipped me the wrong part, regardless of where that mistake lies, I'm kind of trying to position myself to not lose on it, right? And my customers positioning themselves to not lose on it. And same with the supplier and beyond. And so that's where relationships come in, really. And I think that we, need to make sure that we're responsible, with one another and how we navigate those things respectfully and just try to, work it out. I mean, we've done crazy things, man. We've put trucks on airplane seats and in Uber cars and, all kinds of different methods to try and make things happen for a customer. Made hotshot runs to meet up with another location that we own, because it's the only one in the West Coast or something, crazy where we're, trying to each drive 4 hours to meet in the middle and bounce back out. It's hectic. And for us to do all of that and have the customer still miss a deadline, man, I mean, it's a tough market. It's a tough industry.
Yeah. And you're right. You mentioned the importance of relationships and that relationship with your customer. They don't expect perfection, but when something goes wrong, they want to see you take action. I remember times where, there was a lot of like, I'll get you the part and we'll figure it out after. It's like, because the downtime was going to be far more than any freight cost or any delivery charge or anything. So just get the customer the part, whatever you have to do, and then figure it out on the back end. And I think that from the distributor's perspective, profit is not easy to come by. Like it's not like we're just making double or triple digit profit on every sale. Like the reality is sometimes margins are slim, and then something not showing up on time or having to go to those extra lengths, we're losing money, and that's a real cost to the distributor. And sometimes they have to just eat that. And it's not even their fault, right? I can't tell you how many times I had to just eat something because the supplier missed the shipping deadline. And now it's like, it doesn't matter because my customer needs to be taken care of. So I'm going to get the job done and we'll figure it out on the back end. So